Now when you get these strands, you'll go back up, 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 and just dab them back into place. We're gonna hit up. There you go. Up. Okay, you're gonna do. I'm gonna finish this out, and then you're gonna come over. You're gonna paste coat it real quick so you get some shots of this. And even a long strand like that, watch that. And all the while you're thinking, I'm losing it, I'm losing it. No. Watch that. Up. Up. Okay, now here's the critical point over here. Of course, you're going to make sure that there's no, you know, see this, like laps that are down or hanging.
They come undone maybe after you move along past it.
No, but it'll harden out in the sun and we won't be able to glass the top. So you're just going to take the extra time to look at your glass job here. See that? There you go. That's not too bad. Okay, now watch this. Let me have that cup of resin. We're going to dab here. This is real dry. Okay, there we go. Now, here's the critical area. Lapping this under and up. Under and up. Gonna saturate this. Remember what I was showing you there? Saturate. Actually, the technical term is wicking out, so we're going to wick out.
Wiki.
WikiLeaks. And so we're going to do that, and bam! Let's seal that corner big time. Okay, and here too. Seal the corner.
No plug for this puppy?
We do plugs and boxes after it's glassed.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So that's like the last things you do. You can see some air bubbles there, so boom, boom. There we go. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of just extra resin right there. Air bubbles. Okay, now we're going to give it a final look. We're going to go do the paste coat quickly. Watch this. So we're looking, it looks good. Looks good, good. All looks good. All right, here comes the paste coat. Okay. So we're going to open the, here comes the sun kind of thing. Yeah. We'll lift it up and go, okay, does it look good? Do we see any air bubbles? These white spots are spackle, lightweight spackle from imperfections in the board. We got some pigment splotches, which looks pretty cool, and let's take it outside. Oh, notice something right off the bat before you walk it out. We got this right here. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Good eye, good eye. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Outside we go.
About how long roughly you think it needs to stay out here in the sun like this?
Well, not long. As a matter of fact, you can use your other hand. This board's like not even 2 pounds right now. It's already kicked. Okay. Let's go back inside. Feel that? You can use your glove. See that? Okay. All right, watch your step.